Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be filling out Valentine's Day cards. Grayson picked out Spider-Man.
Of course.
What's yours come with? Tattoos?
Tattoos.
Yeah.
Mine comes with for everyone. For everyone.
Yeah.
I really want
Valentine's
this
Day
one.
cards.
Yeah.
Cute.
I really like this one.
What kind of Valentines did you get, Lainey?
Too cool. I get Spider-Man.
Shopkins? Show them what you have. What kind of candy?
I got
Suckers. Oh, those are cute.
And nothing else.
And Grace's going to have M&M's,
Had it at my
tattoos, and Valentine's Day cards. What you're going to do is, with your pen, write, start from the beginning, and write their name here, and then your name down there where it says from, okay? In Grayson's class, they also wrote on a note and sent home the kids' names, which we won't share, and also some baggies to put it in. That was very nice.
Yep. I made a different kind of A right here.
Looks good. Do your kids celebrate Valentine's Day at school? Comment down below. You ready, Gray?
Yep.
All right, we got to open these.
Yep. What?
Bentley's teacher didn't send home a list of kids, but he thinks he can remember all their names.
He's the only one.
All right.
Oh, about candy.
Don't forget about the candy.
So do I just
Making sure all his classmates' names are in the front of the baggie, so when he goes to pass them out, he can put them in the right bag. The preschool, they make bags in school.
We make envelopes
To put your Valentine's in. Okay. And then we just make a Valentine's Day box.
I just take two.
All right, go ahead and put it in your book bag.
I just take those out because I don't need.
Okay.
These are all what's left.
All right, welcome back, guys. The other day we filled out Valentine's Day cards.
Yeah.
Today we are going to finish that video and make some Valentine's Day boxes. So we just had some regular old just shipping boxes. I taped them up, cut a hole in it.
Yeah, but
I'm gonna use
this one's pretty good.
scrapbooking paper that I've had for a while. Ooh, these are some good
For
Valentine's.
years.
Yeah.
When she was a kid, she had all this stuff.
All right, so first things first, we're going to find paper, which I think I just found some really good paper to start with. You're going to cover your whole box,
Oh, yeah.
and then we'll decorate it with, like, stickers, and I have markers and stuff. You can draw on this stuff. What you should do is start on the bottom of your box.
I have ideas.
Like that.
I don't have ideas.
Okay. We have some, I don't know if it will work. We might have to use tape.
I have school tomorrow
Yes. Tomorrow is their last day for the week.
because it's Valentine's Day.
And then they don't go back to school until Tuesday.
Yeah. Tuesday.
You guys get Friday and Monday. Alright, you can take this one, just overlap it just a little bit like this. Okay, start with the corner here. And you can just overlap this one. We can always cut this hole back.
There we go. Glue it.
Okay.
Now we need square points.
I think you should do like this.
Can I use that?
Like this one.
Can you use glue? Oh yeah.
Because it'll go. Ooh, be careful. We almost had a white foul. Alright, yep, I'm going to need tape.
Here.
Please and thank you.
I need to take one right here.
Grayson's box.
Oh, look.
Alright. Alright, Gray, you ready to put some stickers on it? Oh, this makes me want to start scrapbooking again. Big time. Something I love.
I love candy.
Oh,
there's ice cream. Mom, did you have Valentine's Day when you were a kid? Yummy ice cream.
Yeah, we actually used to save shoe boxes. And make our Valentine's Day out of shoe boxes, cleanup boxes.
Peanut box?
Kleenex. We can pop out
Paper.
a letter out of your name and glue it on. I have some cool letters that we can pop out.
I done decorated it.
Where's your letters?
Right here.
That's your letter? What one do you want? You want this one?
Or do you want the big G?
No, it won't fit.
Yeah.
You want this one?
What, big G? No.
Yeah, this one?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking too. I like that one.
That's a D?
A G. A D, yes. We have finished our Valentine's Day boxes. Did you guys have fun making your boxes and filling out your Valentine's Day cards?
Yes.
All right. Well, we hope that if you guys celebrate Valentine's Day, we hope you have a nice Valentine's Day. We can show you. This is Grayson's box.
I don't know.
This is Delaney's box. And Bentley's.
Wet on the bottom.
Yeah, Bentley's Valentine's Day box. This was tons of fun to do with the kids. Takes me back to the days that I used to make our Valentine's Day boxes. For some reason, our schools around here, they always do paper bags with the kids. But this year we got to make our first Valentine's Day boxes.
No, me. But
all right. Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And we will see you on our next adventure. Bye, guys.